Hi, Wes Scott from Life Back Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about filing bankruptcy yourself it'll likely result in regret. Look, I've been doing this now for a lot of years, and about 27 years to be exact. And you know, I tell you what, um, I used to see people file bankruptcy themselves, and I remember going to the meeting of creditors and kind of the look on their face after they got done with the meeting of creditors and they realized, oh, I'm in big trouble. And I always felt bad for them, and I did. And I would a lot of times pick the cases up, help them out, get this car back on the road. But I got to tell you, I don't do that anymore. And one of the reasons I don't do it anymore is it was a lot of work. A lot of times, sometimes I had to dismiss the case altogether and just file again. It was just such a mess. Folks, look, involves your legal rights. It involves your assets. It involves potential lawsuits against your relatives. I mean, don't do this yourself. I know there's software out there and they make it sound easy. And I don't like that. It's because that doesn't square with the look on the people's faces when they realize it's a mistake. Most of the time, the money you invest in a good lawyer saves you a ton of money. A lot of these people that got into trouble, I mean, they spent way more money than they had to have from the start. It's kind of like when I changed the oil on my go-kart one time and I ended up stripping the bolt. Yeah, that's a mistake. I shouldn't have done it. I get people think they're going to try and save money, but in the end, a lot of people don't, and it's a big regret. And I would stay very clear from that. When the time is right, when you are ready to get your life back, reach out to Life Back Law Firm. Look, when you're stressed out, treat yourself to the most kind and helpful bankruptcy law firm in the state of Minnesota. You're going to be so thankful you did.